Welcome back. Private bus owners are up in arms against the Kadamba's concessional pass system. Bus Owners Association claims that the pass system introduced by KTC was not placed before State Transport Authority, nor it has necessary permissions from the Transport Department. Sudeep Tamankar says the system is encroaching upon the bus owners' business. He also said that the government has not convened a single meeting on subsidy matter for the last 16 months.
सरकारान सबसिडीची योजना जाहीर केली बस मालकांक, पुणून सबसिडीच्या योजनेचो आमी एक सादी सुटसुटीत मागणी केल्ली की 4 लाख आमकां सबसिडीची योजना दिवची म्हणून. पयलीं आमचे जे पळय 2 लाख आसले ते 4 लाख करचे, कारण म्हारगाय वाडलेली आसा आनी गाडयांचो कॉस्ट मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडलेल्या कारणान, डबल जाल्ल्या कारणान आमी 4 लाख करची. पूण घोशणा करतना बजेटान कालचे जे पळय बजेट जाले 2012चे तितून 5 लाखाची घोशणा केली, पुणून मागीर नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू करताना खुबश्यो तितून अटी घातल्यो गेल्यो आनी त्या अटी प्रमाणे ह्या योजनेचो फायदो पळय जाल्यार कदंबाक जावपाक लागलो.
Tamankar claims that Kadamba's monthly pass system has hampered business of private bus owners in the state. He alleged that pass system proposal was not placed before STA and Transport Department.
जी पळय 1 तारखेच्यान गेल्या जानेवारीच्यान जी पास सिस्टम चालू केल्ली आसा कदंबाक, तितून आयज खंय तरी खाजगी बस मालकांचो जो पळय धंदो आसा, जो पळय बसी आसा, तो पूर्णपणे सोंपोवपाचो प्रयत्न ह्या सरकारान केल्लो आसा. कारण कसलेय जर प्रपोजल आसात जाल्यार ते STA फुड्यान मांडचे पडटा. ते प्रपोजल STA कडेन प्लेस करूंक ना म्हणून. ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटान पास सिस्टम लागू करपाक परमिशन दिला काय म्हणून, पूण ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटानूय खंय तरी बरोवन दिल्लें आसा की आमी परमिशन दिवंक ना म्हणून.
Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Daboli Airport is being closed for 2 hours every day to carry out topographical survey for extensive repairs on runway. Airport is closed from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Survey has begun from 3rd July and will continue till 23rd July. Daboli runway will undergo complete resurfacing following the topographical survey.
Daboli Airport will be closed from 3rd July to 23rd July for 2 hours every evening to conduct a topographical survey mandatory for undertaking extensive repair of runway. Sources from Indian Navy inform that runway is planned to undergo complete resurfacing. The airport is being closed between 5 to 7 p.m. every day for traffic. Naval sources inform PTI. Daboli Airport caters to extensive civil and military air traffic throughout the year. To obviate frequent closure of runway for temporary repairs of foreign object damage to any aircraft, a complete resurfacing of runway is planned in near future. The closure of the runway at this time has been planned so that there is minimum rescheduling or cancellation of civil flights. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa cricketers set off on a grind for the upcoming Ranji season with their first net practice session at the GCA Academy indoor pitch on Monday. The Purvari facility was abuzz with most of the probables reporting for the afternoon nets. Goa will play the first pre-season cricket tournament from 17 July in Karnataka, which will serve as a practice for the season-opening Moinud Dowla Trophy in Hyderabad.
Indoor net practice facility at the GCA Academy has been an asset for the state cricketers. This facility gives them a chance to kick off their preparations despite the monsoon being in full force. The first nets of the pre-season camp saw the top order batsmen bat for 40 minutes each. Each bowler got 25 deliveries to bowl, while coach Prakash Mayekar kept a watchful eye on the boys. Physio Tracy, trainer Prabhakar and video analyst Pushkar were also on the ball with their works cut out. Cricket is a team game and it is very important that the support staff keeps a good harmony in the camp with an enthusiastic attitude. Goa Cricket Association is moving into the new season with its focus on youth. Seniors like Robin D'Souza and Sahil Dhuri have not even been included in the probables list. This could be a key season for Goa Cricket as the youngsters may give the seniors a run for their money. Moreover, the senior pros still in the team will have to be on their toes and contribute handsomely to take Goa into the elite level of Ranji Trophy. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.